and we'll fly away. What do you
Os três irmãos foram dormir tudo igual. Mal sabiam eles o que estava por vir. Depois daquela noite eu queria surgir, eu queria surgir.
Acordaram de lugar diferente, não sabia que vinha pela frente. Tudo que estava por acontecer, dificuldades que teriam que sofrer, mas eles continuaram firme e forte, mesmo sem ter alguém pra dar aquele suporte. Ficaram com muito medo, aquele maremoto que não tinha nem começo. Sem os pais, não sabiam qual rumo iam tomar, como o irmão mais velho Pedro ia comandar. Lucas só sabia atrapalhar tudo.
Começou uma noite normal. Os três irmãos foram dormir tudo igual. Mal sabiam eles o que estava por vir. Depois daquela noite eu queria surgir, eu queria surgir. Isolados, isolados.
Depois disso apareceu o Rodrigo, o jovem estava em perigo. Minha conversa focando, ele estava gritando e Lucas decidiu me dar uma briga. Seus irmãos estavam com receio, estava com muito medo, não sei se ele era indefeso do que ele ia fazer. Estava ficou até mesmo tinha feito.
Sem os pais não sabiam qual rumo iam tomar, como o irmão mais velho Pedro ia comandar. E Lucas só sabia atrapalhar quando amanheceu. Perceberam, foram roubados, estavam sem rumo, mas sempre iriam estar juntos. Tudo começou numa noite normal. Os três irmãos foram dormir tudo igual. Não sabiam eles o que estava por vir. Depois daquela noite eu queria surgir, eu queria surgir. Isolados, isolados, isolados.
I wonder what it feel like to do that shit in real life. And now I know I got it. That's the reason no ID has signed me on a dotted. But it's still visionary to the death of me. Yeah, I'm trying to make it, but I gotta find a recipe. Greatest of all time, I want the world addressing me. At the hotel, these beautiful girls undressing me. I'm trying to stay focused, I guess that's the Lord testing me. I knew as a child that this was my destiny. They do it for the limelight, but I make sure my rhyme's right. Waiting till the time's right. Smiling at my mom's like smiling at my mom. Smiling at my mama. Mo at what we sipping now, we was never tripping now. We on private jets, in other words, that means we tripping now. Cause they was over there, I was over here. They was too scared, but I was facing my fears. I've always been driven, but they too scared to steer. That's why I compete with legends, motherfuck my peers. I'm the man of the year. 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 They said I couldn't do it back when I was broke, going through it. Till I got a deal, now they talking about I knew it. But you wasn't there in the beginning. Nowhere to be found when I was down, but you show up when I'm winning. Left me to drown, now I'm swimming. I do it cause I love this shit. Fuck the money and the women and the whips with the rims still spinning. I've been at it since the beginning. All these girls screaming logic, but I wanna hear my real name come from the lips of a beautiful woman that's real, man. I act like I'm Superman, but I could feel pain. I should've gone crazy, and yet I'm still sane. Love it when they sing to us. Been shining was bling to us. Yeah, over here, it's only been a year. They hit me all the time like, shut the fuck up, ho, let me get my mind right. Cause this is for the fans who truly understand. Real all the time, all A on my fam. Shooting for the stars, and knife in the land. Giving everything I can, while they tell me I'm the man. Making music is the plan. Matter of fact, you could call it plan B. Cause I kill these rappers while they're in their infancy, and I be first to pop off. Infantry, gotta keep them in line like symmetry. We all fam, same blue, smoking different tree. And all these people in the crowd sound like a symphony. To my ears, I love it when they cheer. On the road to success, these haters in my rear. I got nothing to fear, cause the whole team here. And everybody shouting, you the man of the year. 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 Man of the year.
You ain't never lie, you ain't never lie. Just a little nigga representing from the 305, 30305. Used to roll around up in a 1996 Nissan, 1996 Nissan. Bought it from an Arab, got robbed 3 months later on some dumb shit. 19 stunting on these niggas like a run shit. I was trying to get it. Every single morning took the bus to hit the studio, my nigga. I was living on a mission. Thought I was the greatest every minute. I would say I need a record deal. A nigga stay wishing. Homie yelling, all you do is rap, rap, rap. Seems like you don't even wanna listen. Chill with it, you just gotta deal with it. Can't stop a nigga when you know we got a vision. 16s, all I got is 16s. Rap about it, homie, you can get up on a big screen. $1 million budgets in abundance. Know you got a chance if you keep it in 100. Oh man, oh man, oh man, so true. Couldn't be any more true. I just gotta do what I do. Pray shit'll go according to the plans I choose. Everybody know what's best for the boy. All I get is suggestions. Pardon me, but I ain't ask no questions. Got no time for the half-ass lessons. Either bring it to the table or get to stepping. Lyrics on deck, I don't need no weapons. Still standing as a king, I don't see no peasants. 24 freestyle, any rapping ass nigga. Only homage getting paid is to the OG legends, huh?
Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker.
What? Sue a nigga. Ain't been threatened by an hour since I heard food and liquor. It's VMG till I DIE. How does everybody hate a question about who deliver? You the journal ass niggas. Back when I was dead broke, fucking me and talk about. Homie still dead broke. I ain't have a solid check in nearly over 2 years. Stable living was the resolution for the New Year's. Mama digging in the savings, trying to keep the lights on. Scared to borrow money from her, gotta pay the iPhone. What the fuck am I on? Guess I gotta write songs. Rap until the riches fill the pockets of my niggas. Let me paint a better picture. I'm jigger with the double time. Nines on his Esco, X on a couple lines. Common resurrected Jada kiss up on his gun lines. Lloyd Banks so 3 gunning with the punchlines. Fahrenheit Lupe, I am on a dedicated crusade. Long term, niggas only focus on the new wave. Next trend, jealous of their ex-friends. Starting out on Instagram, shit that y'all invest in. Nigga be yourself and get some self-esteem with it. Ain't nobody give me shit, bitch. Fuck a hand down,